Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan.
My name is Leo.
And we are going to review fireworks. New Jersey just passed the state law so we can use fireworks, so it is legal for us to use non-explosive fireworks. So, excuse my accent, I'm Spanish. We're just going to review this. We got this at Walmart. It's TNT #1 brand backyard show. You got some warning signs. You can see fireworks. There's a whole bunch of them. It's supposed to be saving you money too. Retail value $65. You pay $19.97. To be completely honest, I paid $4.99. This was in Walmart clearance section after Christmas, New Year's, everything at 75% off. So I got a good price. It's still completely sealed. We haven't opened it. You can see it's supposed to be safe for the family and fun. Actually tells you how many it has. Recommended firing order. Oh, look at that. You got the small, you got the medium, you got the large. You got all of them. 26 pieces. Let's see if that's how much we get. Go. Alright, we're gonna start opening it. Look, just there we go. Slowly, so we don't break anything. And just take it out like that. Don't take out the fireworks, just the seal. Only the plastic. Okay.
And guys, you get to be very careful. You might get hurt.
Okay. Let's see how. No, wait. Okay. You came out. You got some tape here into this. You got another little piece of tape.
That can happen.
Okay, put it to the side. Alright, let's start with this one. It's called Rain Dance. Shower of Sparks. I guess we open it. Yeah, it has some tape on it.
Oh, and guys, we have this thing to make a fire.
Yeah. We got.
Right, Jonathan?
Yes.
Wait.
Let's see, open it slowly. Take it out. Take it out.
Oh my God, guys, look.
Take it out.
Look at this.
Oh, wait. You gotta take it out.
Look, guys.
Oh, seems to be stuck in there. Oh, no, it comes out.
Guys, look.
Oh.
You might get hurt. You cannot go close.
Actually,
if you're putting the fire, you have to run.
Actually, I don't think we have to take it out.
Okay. Next up is...
Wait, we gotta check more.
Next.
Wait. Out loud. Open it. Open this one. Open this one. Let's put it in. Open this one. I can put it back in.
Okay, guys, and we're going to open the next one.
Put it over there.
Next, we have this. It's called All Sparky. And we're going to open it and find out what's inside. We got some tape. Okay.
It's the same?
It's the same thing, guys.
Yeah, I don't think we gotta take it out. I think that's just open it and light it up. Okay.
It's the same thing, guys. So, next up is this one. It's flashing fountain. Okay, guys.
Wait, let me see.
And
actually, we got an expiration date here. 2011.
And guys, look at what...
Or maybe 2034. Fishy. I don't know.
Okay.
Don't break it.
And guys,
Oh, okay.
these are little fireworks. I'm really gonna be really careful.
How many? Put it next to each other.
There's 1, 2, there's 5, guys. 3, 4, 5. Oh, and guys, if you put fire, you cannot put it like this. Or and this called
Miss Glitter.
And we're gonna see what's inside.
Okay.
Oh, and here's this.
It just have a match. Yeah, there's the match.
And there's
This one you don't open it. Light shower sparks. We have a little celebrate safety with state-approved firework. Okay.
Okay.
They're supposed to be
Next,
state-approved.
we're going to check that one.
This is the same as the previous one. It just has the match on the top. Yeah, there it is, the match. It says fuse. Light it up. It's called the Weasel. This one says expiration 2015. I think that's 2015. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know what that means. But yeah, this is the smaller size than that one.
So next, we're going to check this one. And this is different.
What's it called?
It's called June Bugs.
June Bugs. Okay.
I think this is so little.
Open it.
I got it.
Wait. Slowly. Okay, stop. Let me see. Stop.
Guys, it's the same thing as the rest. It's the same thing as the other one.
You open it the wrong way.
Oh, I opened it the wrong way.
You open it on the bottom.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Yeah, which is just same as the first two. You just open it up.
Okay,
So you
next.
got 3 different sizes of this one.
Yeah. Okay, guys, and next we're going to open this one.
Alright, let's do this one.
Yeah. That
It's
one.
called Trojan Warrior. You got the Trojan guy there, Spartan, Trojan.
And, oh, and guys, he has the cape as Superman.
This one, I'm pretty sure the spark is right here. Yeah, I don't want to take it out right now, but you know what? Why not? Yeah, some tape here.
And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more fireworks to see.
Yeah.
And guys,
There's the spark.
I hope.
Just light it up.
Okay, next we're gonna open this one. It's flashing fountain.
No, it's just like the other one. Flashing fountain. It's just like this one.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna
Yeah,
leave
it's
it.
the same one. It has the drawing even on the outside.
Next, okay, so
Let's open it.
Let's see if it's the same thing.
They're the same thing, just a little more.
Okay.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But
But this one has 5.
no, they're a little different.
They're different.
No, they're the same size and everything.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
guys. So
Yeah, this one says 5 pieces. This other one says 8 pieces. But they're the same at the end.
yeah, but they're different numbers. Okay, guys. So next we're gonna open this one, and it's the same thing as this one.
They're the same size?
And yeah, they're the
Let me
same
see.
size because look,
Let me see.
it's the same thing, guys.
It's called Resolution.
Yeah.
Got the Statue of Liberty there. Match just like the other one.
Yeah.
Exactly the
Okay,
same size.
So next we're gonna open this one. It's crackly.
Mr. Crackle.
A glow
yeah.
fool.
Glow fuse. Okay. Oh, no, the fuse is right there.
Yeah.
Just light it up.
Yeah.
This does not open.
Yeah.
Once again, expiration 2014 07 0233. Okay.
Okay, guys. So next we're going to open this one, and this hay fever.
Yep, hay fever.
So we're going to open them
slowly.
Oh, we got some tape. Yeah, we're not going to open it. Okay, there. It's the same thing.
Okay, so just put it next to the other box. So you got 3 other big ones. You got 2 big ones.
Okay, so next we're going to open this tiny one.
No, you don't open it. The fuse is right there. What's it called?
It's Blue Fury.
Let me see. Blue Fury, yes. Same thing as the other one. Has the... Yep. This is just like this one.
So
it's
next
smaller.
we're going to open. We're going to see this. It's the same thing, guys.
Pyrofans. Emits showers of sparks. Used only under close door supervision. Yeah, this is pretty much the same as this one.
And guys, these 2 are the same things.
Yeah, 2 are the same size, different names, color shocks, and sparkling glory. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me see. It's supposed to be 26 pieces. Let's count how many we have. We have 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
We have 14 out of the 26 that it says. Alright, we got...
These big ones.
Okay, we got 6 cylinders. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We got 7 cylinders.
And
how many of those? Wait, let me see, right here.
And we got 5, and we have 6 squares.
We have 2 of this the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Oh, and 7, 8.
Okay, so we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of the 26. What I'm thinking is this one has 8, this one has 5. How much is 8 plus 5?
8, guys. 8 plus 5 is 13.
13,
so
14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
And you got 26. They just put it inside. That's why it specifies pieces.
Yeah.
You also got this get free stuff. Awesome collectible poster, cool tattoos, fireworks, notepads, and more. You got a website there as well. TNT Fireworks. Guess it's like to join or something. Yeah, maybe. We'll be making another video, maybe tonight or tomorrow, lighting up some of this. Thank you for watching. This is our first video ever, so excuse the bad recording.
Bye.
Bye.